For years, locals have heard rumors of a marsh girl who haunts Barkley Cove. The truth is, there is a marsh girl, but it's not what you would think. Kaya was abandoned by her parents and siblings and left to live out in the dangerous marsh all alone. Kaya only attended one day of school and left after being made fun of. She decided to live in solitude and never go back to school. Kaya lives her life by teaching herself and learning from the marsh and the land all around her home, but still alone. She befriends a local dock operator and gets her goods from him and his wife. The time came in Kaya's life where she was tired of being alone. She had her eye on two men from town who were drawn to her natural beauty. In late 1969, a popular, well-known guy from town was found dead near the marsh. The entire town begins to suspect Kaya was responsible for his murder. That was just the start of the unthinkable that was to come.